Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F8 Ultra and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. And here let's scroll all the way down to find additional settings. Then let's tap on date and time, and this option is at the very top. And here we've got some options which are currently inactive, specifically date, time, and the time zone. It is because we are using the automatic date time and the time zone. So first of all, we have to turn off those three switchers here in the date and time zone section. And now we can freely tap on date, for example, and change it just by swiping first day, month, and a year. Tap on OK. The same situation with the time, hours and minutes. Tap on OK. Here the time zone, simply tap on select time zone, tap on region here, and you've been transferred to the full list of available regions. So find yours and tap on it, it will be immediately applied. Alright, here we've got also the feature called dual clock, and basically the whole idea of it is that your device will display two different clocks. The first one with the time from the place you're currently in, which we've set right here, and the second one from any other place of your choice. You can simply tap on it, choose the region, for example this one, and it will also show you this information. Moreover, at the top we've got the option time format, and we can decide what kind of clock format we want to display. So now we've got the 24-hour one. After turning off this option, we can set 12-hour format. So it's obviously up to you which one you prefer. So this is also the whole manual customization of date and time. We can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers right here. And maybe here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.